Albert not connecting to your bank usually happens when the bank blocks third-party access or when the AEAB's connection token expires inside the linking system. By the end, you'll know why the connection fails, how to fix it step by step, and what to do if your bank keeps rejecting Albert. Start with the main reason. Albert connects to banks through secure, third-party data services, not direct login access. Now explain what that means. Your bank controls whether apps like Albert are allowed to sync with your account. Now explain the first fix. Open Albert and go to the bank connection or linked account section. Now explain what to do there. Remove the current bank connection and try adding it again from scratch. Now explain why this works. This resets the authentication token that can silently expire over time. Now explain another common cause. If your bank has strict security settings, it may automatically block external app connections. Now explain what to do. Log into your bank's own app or website and check for any security alerts or blocked access notifications. Now explain another fix type. Turn off VPNs or ad blockers before trying to reconnect Albert. Now explain why that matters. VPNs can make the connection look like suspicious login activity to your bank. Now, explain device issue. Make sure Albert is fully updated, because outdated versions can fail during bank syncing. Now, explain network issue. Switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data can sometimes complete a failed connection attempt. Now, explain deeper issue. Some banks simply do not support full syncing with budgeting apps like Albert. Now explain what to do in that case. If your bank is unsupported, Albert will never maintain a stable connection no matter how many times you retry. Now, explain final troubleshooting. Waiting 24 hours before retrying can help if your bank temporarily flagged the connection attempt. Now, summarize the core idea. Albert not connecting to your bank is usually caused by expired authentication, security blocks, or unsupported bank systems. Resetting the connection and removing network or security interference fixes most cases. And if the bank isn't supported, the issue cannot be fully resolved inside the app. One practical next step. Bot-Dawan. Remove your bank from Albert, restart your phone, and reconnect using mobile data with no VPN enabled. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear fixes for banking app issues without the confusing tech jargon.